Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip to Gatlinburg, and we're on a highway with a multiplex of 4 U.S. highways. U.S. Highways 64 and 74 East and US-19 and 129 North. We're in Cherokee County, North Carolina, and we're approaching the town of Murphy. We enter the town of Murphy, which has an estimated population of 1,654 people as of 2018. The town was named for North Carolina politician Archibald Murphy, which is spelled with an EY at the end. The spelling of the town name lost the E at some point in history. The settlement was originally named Huntington after A.R.S. Hunter, who established the first trading post here in 1828. Hunter was also the first postmaster and built the first post office here. In 1851, Murphy was incorporated as the county seat of Cherokee County. Here, US 64 and the Southern High Roads Trail turn right, reducing our concurrency to 3 US highways. On the left is the Unicoi Turnpike, which was once part of the trading path used by American Indians and early traders to transport goods and cargo. Along this stretch of highway, we're going to see multiple crossings of the Valley River as the river winds its way through the hills near the highway. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Here we pass through the unincorporated community of Marble, which lies at an elevation of 1,680 feet or 510 meters above sea level. Marble is named for the various marble quarries in the area, although they're all currently inactive and filled with water. As of the 2010 census, Marble had a population of 321. We enter the town of Andrews, which had an estimated population of 1,833 as of 2018. In 2018, Andrews made headlines when it hosted the annual possum drop, where a wild possum is caught, suspended in a plexiglass cage above a crowd, and then lowered at the stroke of midnight to celebrate the new year. This was a tradition started in nearby Brasstown in the 1990s. The North Carolina legislature suspended wildlife protection laws to allow this. However, this tradition was discontinued after the 2019 New Year when the possum was injured during its capture. We conclude our video here as we get into some heavy traffic. We'll see why in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.